There is no other love like the love for a brother. There is no other love like the love from a brother. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Adnan Ehtas from 10D, and I welcome you all to the digital celebration of this wonderful day, the Raksha Bandhan. The Raksha Bandhan arrives on the 3rd of August. I hope all of you are safe at your home and getting gifts from your brother or getting Rakhi from your sisters. So yeah, before we start this celebration, I would like to answer a question. Why do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? Raksha Bandhan shows a very lovely or very beautiful relationship between a brother and a sister. First, let's see what Raksha Bandhan means like. Raksha Bandhan, these two words make up Raksha Bandhan, right? Raksha means protection or security, and Bandhan means a bond or a relation between brother and sister. So why it is celebrated in India? In the whole world, the brother and sister relation is very important and it is given very much importance. In India, it's different. The whole occasion is celebrated for brothers and sister relationship. On this day, a sister ties a Rakhi on the hand of her brother and prays for her well-being, prosperity and good life and good health. In return, the brother gives her gifts and promises the sister for protecting her in every aspect of her life and supporting her in every aspect of the life. So yeah, this is why we celebrate Raksha Bandhan.
आनंदी आनंदगडे जिकडे तिकडे चोहीकडे असा काठोकाठ भरून ओसरणारा आनंद श्रावणात आढळतो. या महिन्यातील एक वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण सण म्हणजे राखी पौर्णिमा. राखी म्हणजे रक्षा करणे, एक महत्त्वाची जबाबदारी स्वीकारणे. यात आपुलकीची, प्रेमाची, कल्याणाची भावना आहे. प्राचीन काळी राजपूत स्त्रिया मोठ्या धैर्याने युद्धप्रसंगी शत्रूच्या गटात जात आणि आपल्या पतीबरोबर युद्ध करणाऱ्या वीर जवानांना आपला बंधू मानून राखी बांधत. त्यामुळे युद्धप्रसंग टळत. या पवित्र आणि व्यापक भावनेमुळेच हा सण भारतीय परंपरेत रुजला. रोजच्या दगदगीत एवढ्या तेवढ्यावरून बहीण भावात कुरकुर, भांडणे, रुसवे फुगवे होतात. पण या दिवशी हे सगळे विसरायचे असते. बहीण भावाला राखी बांधते, गोडधोड खाऊ घालते, भाऊ तिला एखादी आवडती वस्तू भेट देतो. तुटलेली नाती जोडावीत, जोडलेली नाती अधिक दृढ व्हावी हे सांगणारा हा सण आहे. रक्षाबंधन म्हणजे प्रेमबंधन. आजच्या दिवशी बहीण भावाच्या हातात राखी बांधते, म्हणजेच त्याला हृदयाच्या प्रेमाने बांधते. तिच्या रक्षणाची जबाबदारी भाऊ स्वतःवर घेतो. या संदर्भातील राणी कुमावतीची कथा प्रसिद्ध आहे. गुजरातचा बादशाह बहादूर शहाने चित्तोड राज्यावर हल्ला केला. त्यावेळी चित्तोडाचा कारभार राणी कुमावती पाहत होती. तिने त्याच्याशी निकराने युद्ध केले, पराक्रमही गाजवला. पण बहादूर शहाच्या सैन्यबलामुळे चित्तोडाची ताकद कमी पडली व पराभव समोर दिसू लागला. त्यावेळी राणी कुमावतीने बाबरचा मुलगा हुमायूं याला राखी पाठवून आपले चित्तोडाचे रक्षण करण्यास सांगितले आणि हुमायूनने देखील राखीचा स्वीकार करून जाती व धर्म यांचा मुळीच विचार न करता चित्तोडाचे रक्षण केले. राखीचे हेच सामर्थ्य आहे. वैदिक काळापासून रक्षाबंधन किंवा रसमंगळ या संस्काराची प्रथा रुजू आहे. जेव्हा श्रीकृष्णांच्या करंगळीला सुदर्शन चक्राचा घाव लागला तेव्हा द्रौपदीने आपल्या साडीचा पदर फाडून बांधला. तेव्हापासून द्रौपदीच्या रक्षणाची जबाबदारी भगवान श्रीकृष्णांवर आली. श्रीकृष्ण द्रौपदीला बहीण मानत. जेव्हा द्रौपदीचे वस्त्रहरण होत होते तेव्हा भगवान श्रीकृष्णांनीच तिची रक्षा केली. या पौर्णिमेला नारळी पौर्णिमा देखील म्हणतात. कोळी लोकांचा हा मोठा सण. या दिवशी समुद्राची पूजा करतात. या दिवसापासून समुद्र शांत व्हावा, बोटी जहाजे चालू व्हावेत यासाठी लोक जलदेवतेची पूजा करतात. काही लोक समुद्रात नारळ अर्पण करतात. नारळी पौर्णिमेच्या दिवशी वरुण देवतेसाठी समुद्राची पूजा करून नारळ अर्पण करतात. वरुण ही पर्जन्याची देवता. या पौर्णिमेच्या आधी 2 महिने भरपूर पाऊस पडत असतो. समुद्रावर वादळी वारे वाहतात. समुद्र खवळलेला असतो. त्याचे ते स्वरूप भयंकर असते. त्या स्थितीत समुद्रात संचार करणे अशक्य असते. श्रावणी पौर्णिमेपासून समुद्र शांत होतो. रक्षाबंधन म्हणजे ध्येय रक्षण. ध्येयासोबत बांधला गेलेला आहे. तोच जीवनाचा विकास साधू शकतो. श्रावणी पौर्णिमेचे असे धार्मिक सामाजिक महत्त्व आपण लक्षात घेतले पाहिजे.
कैसी भी हो एक बहन होनी चाहिए. बड़ा हो तो माँ बाप से बचाने वाली, छोटी हो तो हमारे पीठ पीछे छुपने वाली, बड़ी हो तो चुप चुप हमारे पॉकेट में पैसे रखने वाली, छोटी हो तो चुप चुप पैसे निकाल लेने वाली. छोटी हो या बड़ी, छोटी छोटी बातें पे लड़ने वाली एक बहन होनी ही चाहिए. खुद से ज़्यादा हमें प्यार करने वाली एक बहन होनी चाहिए. बहन का प्यार जुदाई से कम नहीं होता. अगर वो दूर भी जाए तो गम नहीं होता.
Now, let us see how the day of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in different parts of India. Raksha Bandhan is a festival that depicts the bond of love between brother and sister. But this festival also has its different colors, aspects and rituals followed by different cultures of India. So, let's explore them. Coming to Maharashtra, Raksha Bandhan falls on the day of Narali Purnima. The Koli community of Maharashtra offers coconut to the sea as a mark of respect to Lord Varun. This also marks the beginning of a fishing season. They perform a puja to the sea god to protect them from natural calamities. Raksha Bandhan is also known as Lamba Rakhi in Rajasthan. Sisters tie Rakhi on the bangle of brother's wife as well. People believe that since wife is a better half, no Raksha Bandhan ritual with the brother is complete without his wife. Raksha Bandhan falls on the day of Pavitrapana in Gujarat. Sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers. Also, most people offer water to Lord Shiva and seek his blessings. The community also believes that those who worship Lord Shiva on this day are forgiven of all their sins in life. In central India, Kajari Purnima is celebrated on the day of Raksha Bandhan. It is an important festival for farmers as this auspicious day marks the beginning of a new agricultural season. They also believe that the next season is extremely favorable for sowing barley and wheat, which is their main crop. In West Bengal, Raksha Bandhan falls on the day of Jhulan Purnima. The celebration starts on the Pavitra Ekadashi and ends on Raksha Bandhan when Lord Krishna and Radha are made to sit on a swing or jhula and are made to swing. A swing is decorated primarily with different flowers. The celebration is very grand at the ISKCON temple. In Odisha, Raksha Bandhan falls on the day of Gamha Purnima. This is the day when domesticated cows and bullocks and other cattle are decorated and worshipped. Sweet dishes called pitha made of rice paste and coconut filling is prepared on this day and distributed to family and friends. Andhra Pradesh Jandam Purnima. Jandam is the sacred thread that is removed and a new one is worn on this day. During this celebration, we should not forget our heroes, our soldiers, the Indian Army, Air Force and the Navy who can't celebrate this festival. Let's bring a smile on their face by writing letters and sending Rakhis to them. A small step can keep them motivated and strong. relation of a brother and sisters can never be expressed in words as it is the very precious relationship. It gets stronger and stronger as the day passes. We should remember that all these celebrations are performed along with the traditional time of Rakhi.
I am Aishwarya Dharmadikai here. First of all, I would wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful homemade Rakhi. This is a Rakhi making activity in which all you have to participate and you can share your photos with your class teachers. So let's start. Let's see what are the materials that we require. First, here we want a silver paper, then scissors, glue, then I have a lace over here, and this is a cardboard cutout circle. This circle is cut out of a cardboard sheet. You can simply draw a circle and cut it out. And here I have some quilling paper petals. You can roll the petals and just shape them likewise. And here I have a circle made up of quilling to be used as the center of the flower. Now we will apply glue on this circle, and I will place this silver paper on this, and one by one we will place these petals on it. So here I have pasted all the petals, and now we will give it some time to dry. Until then, I'll take this lace and then we will apply some glue on this base. So now I will apply this base on this lace. Stick it nicely. Then after this petal gets dry, we will apply some glue on this base, and then you can put this flower on this base. Then give it time to dry. Now let us decorate this Rakhi. I have some decorative material over here. So after decoration, you can see how beautiful our Rakhi is. You can try this Rakhi at your home with your own creativity.
Brothers are like street lights. They don't make the path shorter, but they make the walk worthwhile. Well, this is quite true because at the end of the day, every sister needs her brother by her side because she feels protected with him. It's just a small thread that has traveled a long way from pulling each other's leg to ground into best friends. No matter how much a brother teases a sister, but he also cares for her more than anyone else. Here's a beautiful message from a brother to her sister. The women I call sister is someone who is there. The women I call sister is someone who cares. The women I call sister can make me smile when times are blue. The women I call sister is someone very true. The woman I call sister by choice is my best friend. The women I call sister will be there till the end.
The true spiritual meaning of Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan. We know the literal meaning of Raksha Bandhan, the bondage of protection, and as per tradition, sister puts a tilak on the forehead of her brother, ties a Rakhi on their brother's wrist, and gives sweets as an offering of their love. In return, the brother vows to protect his sister under all circumstances, and of course, gives his sister kharchi or a gift. Raksha Bandhan has a deeper spiritual explanation. Spiritual meaning of each pratha, the first of which is tilak. The tilak is a sign of being victorious over body consciousness and the web of vices that influenced us to perform negative actions. It is also a symbol of awakening one's awareness of social consciousness, realizing our true identity as infinite symbols points of divine energy, soul, atma, ruha, spirit, or divine light energy, and not the physical body. The second is Rakhi. Rakhi is a sign of the vow of purity taken by all human beings. A vow made to God Shiva that we shall remain pure for our entire life, because we all human beings are brothers and sisters among us. We have the same spiritual father. The Supreme Soul is our creator. Signifying this, the sisters prays for wellness and betterment of our brother, just as God is a well-wisher of ours. Sweets, mithai. The sweets that sisters offer to brothers is a symbol of sweetness in our relationship. We make a vow of behaving sweetly with everyone whom we shall meet. Sister is saying to brother, become sweet. The fourth is kharchi, money in return of tying Rakhi. A relationship is the one in which there is give and take. Hence, here also the brother gives kharchi in return of love and sweets. This is to give and take is full. Here is to give and take is fulfilled. Respect all women.
था ये प्रेम का बंधन, बहना मेरी मेरे घर का कुंदन, धूप पुष्प का थाल सजाकर आई करने को पूजन वंदन। जुग जुग जियो भैया मेरे, हर रोज लगाओ दीप व चंदन, मिले सफलता तुझे जहाँ भी, जाए जहाँ भी तेरा हो अभिनंदन। खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ मिले तुझे बहना, न दुख देखूं तेरा कभी करुण क्रदन।
Hello friends and teachers, my name is Som Sokashi. I am from class 8C. Today I am going to tell you about importance of gifts of Raksha Bandhan. First of all, at the festival of Raksha Bandhan, the sister ties the Rakhi to the brother and the brother surprises the sister by giving some amazing and wonderful things. But in this period, sister can't tie any Rakhi to the brother and brother also declines the sister for giving surprises because they both can't go outside. What to do then? Suppose sister can create a Rakhi by using some papers or some creative ideas. But what will brother do to give some gifts or surprises? I have some ideas for giving some gifts to my sisters. I will protect her from the enemies. Enemies? Which enemies? You all had get this question in your mind. Yes, enemies. All enemies are not people or animals. Enemies also include the viruses, bacteria, some harmful microorganisms, etc. So, how can I protect my sister from this type of enemies? I will tell her some information regarding how to maintain her emotional and physical immunity in this period. So all my sisters, listen it carefully to how to maintain your emotional immunity first. First point is understanding your anxiety. Means some of us are in areas that have already been affected by virus. Others are bracing for what may come. And all of us are watching the headlines and wondering what is going to happen next. Stay informed, but don't obsessively check the news. There's a lot of misinformation going around. It's important to be discerning what you read and watch. Stick to trustworthy sources. Limit how often you check for updates. Step away from media if you start feeling overwhelmed. Ask someone reliable to share important updates. Be careful what you share. And whenever you find a person infected with virus, don't get panic. The person is just unwell, not a criminal. Now, I will tell you about how to maintain your physical immunity. First point, get the nutrients you need. Eat a balanced diet that consists of plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables and whole grains. A healthful diet and exercise are important to maintaining a strong immune system. Second point, be physically active. A healthy adult needs at least 2 hours and 30 minutes of physical activity every week. Exercise has been shown to fight off infections. Third point, manage your stress. While there is no need to panic, it is advisable that we follow the instructions that are being issued to public. The stress also can make us more susceptible to respiratory illness. Fourth point, improve your sleep habits. A sleep-deprived immune system doesn't work as well. Those who regularly slept less than 6 hours a night are more likely to catch the infections compared with those who got more than 7 hours of sleep. Avoid screens before bedtime. So this was the information that you have to do daily, my dear sisters. Hope you have liked this gift from me.
Let's go to the return gift. In this pandemic situation of COVID-19, we are not able to meet each other. I must say that not only our brother and sister, siblings and family members, but the peoples in the whole country and world are our brothers and sisters. I have a very innovative idea for it. May I have everybody's ear, please? The doctors, the nurses, police officers, road sweepers, sewage cleaners, all are our brothers and sisters. In this pandemic situation, we can give return gifts in the form of good deeds. We can help them by staying home in this pandemic situation. The good deeds means the good action that we all must do, not only in words or speech, but in the practical life also. You can do good deeds by helping your mother in kitchen work, helping old people in crossing roads, or help them read newspapers. That all includes in the good deeds. I ask all people to do this. There is a famous line in Hindi. आप एक की मदद करें और उसे बोले कि आप 3 लोगों की मदद करें और उन 3 लोगों को बोले कि आप और 3 लोगों की मदद करें. Here the chain will followed by thousands and crores of people, and we all also must do it.